Oh, I don't hear no man attack say Mavado song I want big rubbish.
What? Bro, what are you talking about,
Come
man?
in. One of the greatest voices in dancehall. Mavado, come in.
Shot in a face, man, never ready. Never ready, man, never ready. Enemies who me war with dead already.
Alright.
Boy, Alkaline and Cartel come to your front high class. Come Mavado ready for now. 2026, Mavado come for no head. Come here. Yeah, man, 2026 at your fuck like that ring light there. But as me I say,
Go to the stick. Walk out to the stick, man, bad and bumbo clat rich.
Alright, so Mavado the Gully guy just dropped Bad and Bumbuckler Rich on the Wyfl Riddim by DJ Mag. And the first things first, me get a message and me a beg you, don't shoot the messenger, but the Wyfl Riddim tell me if you tell an artist say it tired. It want a break, it want some water, it want to rest in peace.
Big dog take time, honey, gal.
all me know, Kartel and Shenseea song, Big Fuckery.
What? What?
Big Fuckery. That song that, boy, that is song that could have done unreleased to Bumbuckler. Yeah, that is song that could have done unreleased. Yes, sir.
Big dog take time, honey, gal.
No, man, I can't do that, man. I can't lie to myself like that, people. And uno can't tell me, say, me bias or me anti-cartel, because me buy the song. Me personally buy the song. If you don't follow me, you see it yesterday. Me go still have the picture for me safe thing, right there, so. Me buy it. Me put my money where my mouth there. You understand? Me buy the thing. I trade it said to me, or Teddy Lee, or Golden Eye. I think a Golden Eye, they say it, say all the R's. Because me did say, yo, the snippet a 10 out of 10. Me give it. The first 20 seconds a 10 out of 10. But the song drop off after 30 seconds. After Kartel come back in with the second verse, me not even know what that. What the hook at it?
Bounce with it, bounce with the gal. Move with it, move with the gal.
Bounce with the gal. Tick-tock with it. What the fuck am I talking about? I don't know how I hear that from your Kartel.
God have mercy upon us.
So Vybz, Kartel and Mavado released two brand new songs yesterday, viewers and subscribers. One named Panic and one named Bad and Bumbuckler Rich. Well, Panic is not a gun song for all who don't know. It is a girl song. So viewers and subscribers, in this episode, we'll be reacting to, or we'll be taking a look at some of the reaction and some of the people where I share them point of view as it pertains to Vybz, Kartel and Mavado's new song. Some people have said them now feel it, while some people have said them I feel it. It's good, it's a bad song. But viewers and subscribers, Jaja God, the two songs them are going good on the social media space. Well, YouTube, one song rack up almost 500,000 views, while one song rack up almost 400,000 views, viewers and subscribers. So in this vlog, we'll be reacting to and we'll be taking a look at some of the people.
Gaza vs Gully.
So Gully God, when you say ready for war again, I'm a thing, man, this is what I go on. But what you know, no? We know Bounty, the two in a cartel from what year. Remember say, Bounty never come on your friend funeral, you know. Allege him cause your friend life and door forward and your friend funeral. And he never got a merciless funeral too, so me see you drop a song and you throw your shades brawling. The whole world know a cartel you attack. With a love for see back a Gaza and Gully war. But me don't want you make, I don't want you make Bounty Killer over there a boat you for go war with Kartel. You see it, and a Gaza me say, and Gaza nation, if that war come afoot, we don't have nothing more to say, because watch you know, the history there. You see it, because Kartel as an artist too, him being a true words and shades. So Gully God feel intimidated over film side and feel like say him for dash back a brawling shit in a Kartel face. We don't even call Kartel name. That's a war where we can't stand from or run from. Cause we see say Kartel I go back in the whole style. Them a get on top of him nerves, you see it. I would there for the full support of Gaza World Boss here, me. If I want to start back Gaza and Gully, I fully Gaza, nothing no change. But that is that you the only word opponent out there now. Differently from Brata Boss, you see it, but it's a good look, man. We like what I go on. Mavado, I want things still, you know. I forget credit because you say anytime you match, a step. But I fully Gaza will say.
So as you know, Mavado said some shady things in a new song, Bad and Bumbo Clock Rich viewers and subscribers. But you know that go already. The viewers them are go always listen for hear something in it, and the people them pinpoint something specific out of Mavado's song where mention Fiera and Neelif. So majority of the people them out here as a Vybz Kartel get this. So they're waiting on a Vybz Kartel's response. But also viewers and subscribers, a lot of people also have stated that Alkaline got shade in his song. But we didn't really hear directly if him shade Alkaline. It sounds is like a subliminals but not quite clear of disrespect towards Alkaline. But the only standout line was the Fiera line, the Fiera Neelif. So it can be in regards to Vybz Kartel, and also Mavado has stated in the song that enemies were him war with dead already. And he also said that man when him kill, if them a try relive again, so I don't know, he must say them a reborn. So I guess he must say enemies them a try born over again, like respawn, like a Fortnite them a play. But viewers and subscribers, when make me think, think about what the brother say. The brother say look like a war out to start with Vybz Kartel and Mavado again. Them a get, them a try to recreate that little Gully Gaza rivalry like black them viewers and subscribers. So when make me think about what the brother say.
Walk out to the stick, man, bad and bumbo clat rich.
Alright, so Mavado the Gully guy just dropped Bad and Bumbo Clock Rich on the Wyfl Riddim by DJ Mag. And the first things first, me get a message, I beg you, don't shoot the messenger, but the Wyfl Riddim tell me if you tell an artist say it tired. It want a break, it want some water, it want to rest in peace. Me personally, I'm enjoying the fact that so many artists are on the rhythm and they are doing their thing. They're letting their voices be heard. Let's talk about the video now. The video is typical. It is a bad man song, so it is in a bad man place, it's in a bad man environment. You show the ghetto, you show the vibes. Very fitting and very typical of what we expect from Jamaican artists when they match up bad man song. The lyrics of the song, they aren't great lyrics. There aren't lyrics that are gonna wow you and say, what Mavado I talk about. Mavado has never really been that type of artist. Mavado has always been an artist that consistently gives us songs that are filled with melodies. And this is what this song is filled with. It's filled with melodies. The lyrics are good. They are good lyrics. The intro, walk out with the stick, man, bad and bumbo clock rich. That's going to grab you immediately. Immediately, you're going to gravitate to that. The fact that Mavado dropped a video with this song just makes the song so much more better. It's not a great song, and it's not a bad song, don't get me wrong. In my opinion, I still believe that Skipper owns this rhythm, and I would give Mavado a 6.57 out of 10, in my opinion, as far as the song overall.
So as you know, Mavado and Popcorn in a dancehall are one of the two most prominent artists them in a dancehall were good with hook and melody. So Mavado is good with the hook and the melody. He's not the artist where come with the bagga lyrics. So we have some catchy hooks, some catchy melody. We're stuck in at the people, them head viewers and subscribers. So I grade the song just the same like the brother grade the song. 6.5, maybe 7 out of 10 viewers and subscribers. But wanna think Mavado take the rhythm over all of the other artists them with the panic, or wanna think Skipper still govern the rhythm. To be honest, viewers and subscribers, after listening to almost every song on the rhythm, I realize there's a fault with the rhythm. The rhythm is like an ongoing sounding rhythm where it doesn't give you that space to drop some sort of catchy melody or a catchy chorus. So some of the time, I don't know, it's like the artists them a fight for catch a catchy chorus for flow with the rhythm because the rhythm just a chop. It a go one pace, it just depend one frequent. It's like a flow, it a flow, and you just have to spit lyrics or you have to spit bars on it. But viewers and subscribers want to think about Mavado's new song, Bad and Bumbo Clock Rich. Put it down in the comment section and leave on the thoughts. To me, the song a go on. The song a rack up whole heap of views right now, so we can definitely say, I guess the song a reach rate for reach and multiple ears I listen with Vybz I say. And also the controversy lines them in the song where him say, links cut off, fuckery can't men, and all sort of thing viewers and subscribers. But you know make me know what you think about the song.
Boy, Alkaline, Vybz come for you now. Yeah, man, so when you reach back to Jamaica, pay shades a show. Yeah, man, ready for your battle now, bro. Yeah, and Kartel no feel like a blood clot get where you die now. Cause I no feel like I fear from Egypt, you know. And Kartel talk about, oh, my money big like an elephant. The man say, I'm going to set a chap for elephant. Come to the front line. 2026, we need a war. We need a war. Tamili Yamasika just done war. No, we need a war. Kartel, this Vybz done this Kartel already. Alkaline, come. You need for this blood class somebody, man. We're tired of you right now. We're tired of you with like a bitch girl style them. Yeah. A Kartel, you talk about your turn Christian. Come on, we know say you're bad, brother. No bother with the fuckery. No bother with that. Put that aside for now. Yeah. Think about that for 2020. I don't know. One next time. But now, Vybz come for no head and we need
So
Walk out with the stick, man, bad and bumbo clat rich. Uptown couple rifle, if and the killers now have no license fee.
Alright. I like to be very honest with my reviews. Mavado, one of the greatest. Next to Kartel. That's how great he is. But I feel like this song is just a little bit too flat. That's just how I feel. The song flat. It's not giving the Mavado energy, the Mavado vibe. You see me? It's cool. It's a nice little stroll in the park song. But it's not giving me the vibe, but So, Mavado, you jump on a rhythm, but I expect better from you still. Now I'm gonna lie.
God, viewers and subscribers, what do you think about what the brother say? Oh my God. You know, say, at one point when I first listened to the song, I kind of felt like it was flat a bit. But over time, when you listen to the song more and more, you see it have a vibe. It's not the best song on the rhythm, but you know, Mavado. He might go do him own thing on the rhythm. He might go do it for him little, you know, natural Mavado. David Constantine style. So viewers and subscribers, one thing about what the brother say, he must say it flat. He must say, nah, give the Mavado where him know. What do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comment section.
The new song that Mavado do on the Wyfl Riddim, Bad and BC Rich. That song they need to be studied, you know. Yes, that song they need to be studied. Enemies when we war with, them dead already. Them dead already. But I know that. It's the line we say, I could have fear from Egypt. Me know it's keep over enough I want to head. When we listen to that song is very calculated, you know. I could have fear from Egypt. That fear is something I ring a bell, you know. I wonder if I pick up. Boy, Vybz, you know how lie. You have had another song, you know. Yes, you have had another song, you know. And the song is a very calculated song. A tough tune, tough like some heavy metal. Heavy metal, a tough something, you know. So it look like Mavado ready for them again. Anyway, I saw the dancehall feel set. But me I tell you say, the new song ya, Mavado, Bad and BC Rich on the Wyfl Riddim need to be studied. It's not a normal song. Big up yourself, Gully God. Me, Shocking Morris said that.
So as you know, everybody a pinpoint the specific lines out of Mavado's song, the Fear line, viewers and subscribers. And we also see Gaza fans them out here continuously deflecting from that line in the song, saying that Alkaline Mavado attack. Well, we haven't really heard any specific parts of the song were really direct way to say that the alkaline, clearly the song are this are a alkaline Vybz attack viewers and subscribers. So on the see for yourself, a lot of people are talk about the Fear line, and that Fear line is the most standout line in the song, which is why a lot of people are out here saying that Mavado are shade Kartel, or I say Kartel and Mavado look them like them are shade one another, and everything just start blow up now because Mavado say Fear are nearly. But viewers and subscribers, yes, me don't know what to say now. It sound like Mavado had this multiple artists in his song, but also as I said, the Fear line is the most standout line in his song, and it clearly points fingers to Kartel, say a Kartel him this. So we don't know what going to go on after this, if Kartel either going to run out, or if any other artist will get this in his song, know some Mavado this them if them are forward out and send either shades, or call out Mavado directly, but as we hear, Fear a nearly in his song. So what do you think say a Kartel alone the song a pinpoint to, or other artists get binds up in his song? What do you think in the comment section? Leave on the thoughts. So the brother here is most definitely a Gaza man, viewers and subscribers, because in this video he was exposing his true emotions and his true feelings after Mavado's song was released. Him clearly acknowledged the Vybz Kartel got this in his song. So he must say Mavado's song are F-free. So viewers and subscribers, listen to what him have to say. Jaja, it hurt him feelings, you know. Poor thing.
Oh, me not hear no man attack say Mavado song I want big rubbish. Although dog, a good try still, it can't go on. Kidna Gardener lyrics still, but it can't go on. Mavado song already umbre. I don't talk that. Boy, I say fuck that me notice with no. I don't tell you like that. Mavado song are weakest pan the rhythm.
Gaza man I go do what Gaza man doing of viewers and subscribers. But nevertheless, fans are gonna react how them react whenever any other artist this for them artists. So me not wrong if how him feel, but viewers and subscribers, the dog in feelings, the dog I say the people them bias. The dog I say them not say Mavado song a garbage. But what do you think Mavado song up there with Skipper, Chronicler and what? Who else? Anthony B song. And what? I not going to say Kartel, because Kartel song, it can go on, but it just, I don't know, something about that song the way never really sit well with me. I don't know if because it overcrowd the rhythm or it just throw it off away. But I think Mavado song can go on still no viewers and subscribers. What do you think?
Yo, I don't know it go already, you know. Last time I there, I couldn't know say, yo, Vybz Kartel, dancehall psychologist. Well, listen, right now, a chemistry me see dog I go on with. So right now, I have to go say I'm the dancehall chemist. Duh. Yeah, man, Vybz Kartel featuring Shenseea. Well, bad, you see me I did. I panic the song name. Go on, go pre-war, go on. Come here tell us, say, yo, the rhythm, nostalgic and have the authentic dancehall bounce to it. You see me I did? I definitely know so the fans them go appreciate love that one, yeah. You see levels? The girls them go wine. You see me I did? So all of the G's them, and I don't know so when time this a song you play, you know. The girls them ready, you know. Yeah man, active. You see style.
So Vybz Kartel and Shenseea's brand new single, Panic, viewers and subscribers. A lot of people have been giving their opinions, sharing them point of view as it pertains to the song, people. But this is my POV in regards to the song. The song can go on with the right promotion, with the right marketing. I think the song can go far. But currently right now, a lot of people, a few people have said them not feel the songs. And also a few people have said them like the song are going good. But to me, the song here, what? To me, the song sound like Ben, You Love Turn Back Way. I think the song sound like a song where Vybz Kartel sing. The rhythm I give off the energy there. The rhythm is an authentic sounding dancehall beat, but it is giving off a turn back way vibes to it. You know, Vybz Kartel have a song named Turn Back Way, and it is also giving off the effect of an Ivani, the Skillibeng Ivani song. If you listen back the beat, you're going to hear it. It have the flavor to it. The Ivani, the turn back way vibes. If you listen to the beat keenly, viewers and subscribers, you're going to hear it. So as I said, with the right marketing team, with the right push, that song might go far, that song might go good. But most times, viewers and subscribers, in a dancehall, majority of the songs them will go international. It's never always, or it's not always, the songs them will take off right away. Upon the ground, it's most times the songs them will take off out there in the world. You remember Wap Wap Wap, Skillibeng, Wap Wap Wap. A lot of people never like that song, and a lot of people say a garbage Skillibeng a sing. Not until the song went international and go over there, and a lot of people love it, and then it get the promotion and they get the right push. And a lot of people gravitate to it, and then that song forward back a yard and everybody start love it. So, as I said, I'm not really bash the dog song well, Kartel song, as I say, Kartel and Shenseea. But I wouldn't say the song better than It and Run. It and Run, from It and Run, jump out, right off the bat, viewers and subscribers. That song gained, roughly 2 million in a one day. So, Vybz, Kartel and Shenseea's sang 2 different songs, but are 2 people on the same song currently right now. But let's see how the song are going. The song are going good with some people. The song are going good on YouTube with what? Almost 400,000 views. And me also went over iTunes USA viewers and subscribers, and the song is currently at 159 on the US 200 charts viewers and subscribers, iTunes charts. So I guess the song I get the promotion, the song I get the push. So let's see what the song I do couple months from now if it all get big, because in some sense I can definitely say the song have a summer vibe to it. It have a spring summer vibe to it, so it can go on good. As I said, me nah knock it. The song go on, and you know music is subjective. Some people are gonna like it, some not gonna like it. So let's see how the song go on couple months from now. But currently, Mavado song a lead, so make see how that go on too.
All me know, Kartel and Shenseea song, big fuckery. Big fuckery. That song there, boy, that is song that could have done unreleased to Bumbleclad. Yeah, that is song that could have done unreleased. Yes, sir. Ludi was a better song. Although a thief, Shenseea thief, that song there, but yeah, Ludi was a better song, bro. But this a new song, yeah, where Kartel and Shenseea do. That song they could have stayed to Pussyclad. You know, do nothing. You know, make no waves, you know, make you feel no vibes, you know, make you get them a dash out, and it's just a fuckery song, bro. It didn't even pass the qualification of like a regular song. The song a fuckery. Yeah, the song a fuckery. You not even see nobody talk about it or hype it up. You listen to the song a big fuckery. Big fuckery. Yeah. No, I'm not saying.
As me say, some people are gonna like the song and some people not gonna like the song. But you have to remember, say, music is subjective to the ears and to each and every person who listen it. So a lot of people not gonna like the song and a lot of people are gonna like the song. Also, what me gonna say is that viewers and subscribers, it is not a hype song to me. How the song come off, it not come off hype. It come off like a song where you just listen in your car when you drive on the highway, when you go on a traveling, you know, a family traveling, or you go on a trip, viewers and subscribers. But a lot of people found out, I say, especially that brother here, say the song are free. But I don't think anybody who go in at the studio go do a song, do it, fit come off as fuckery. But Jaja God, the people want to bash the song. I don't know how Jamaicans go to work. When you hear what the brother say, him not see nobody talk about it, him not see nobody hype it up. So most times, if a song now get the hype or get the traction or people talk about it, the people are going to say a garbage. Just the other day when Alkaline sang Priority, a lot of people say a garbage, it not sound good. And also disgusting, a lot of people say it not sound good. Because it's not the average, it's not the usual song where people are looking for. They're looking out for some sort of controversial song or some sort of hype song. You know, Jamaican culture. Raw and all them stay already. Mention Skillibeng, Wap 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 song. When that song first came out, everyone was saying a garbage until that song took off. Even the other song where him say coke, the coke, some man that coke on the plane song. A lot of people take on to the song because it was a controversial song. And they must sing some controversial things in the song. But that's how Jamaicans people stay. Them not take on to a song unless it take off. But as I say, let's see what the song will go on with a year from now or a couple months from now.
Big up, Vybz, Kartel and Shenseea on this one. Look at that.
The video. It is giving crossover, but it still stick to the roots. Sit downtown, it is a dancehall video, and I'm just like, can you imagine how the American audience is going to eat up this track?
Yes, man, I remember do our face and put our hand to start
Problem, man. Yeah, man.
I felt that.
Big up to every creative that worked on that project.
I felt it in my waistline. Yeah. And I love that. I love that they used all these different dances representing what would seem like different parts and different corners of wherever they are. It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
It's a beautiful video.
It is a beautiful video.
From when you listen to the song and watch the music video, when you realize say Vybz Kartel a try tap into the American market with this song. So if him a try to tap into the American market, you know that go already. More money are gonna be behind the song for push it. More marketing are gonna be behind the song for push it. So some people don't like the song, but as I say, what I credit the song and the video for is the authenticity, the authenticness behind the whole song, the whole video. You see the whole Jamaican school bus, the yellow bus in the music video, viewers and subscribers, the hand cart, them dressing up in the red, gold and green, marine, all sort of stuff, just like a Sean Paul type of music video. So Vybz Kartel is trying to tap into the American market, but you know it go. The money are going to be behind the song. The market are going to be behind the song. So if the song fail, we call it cool. We say kudos to that. If the song took off, we say kudos to that also, viewers and subscribers. But we just have to give song time to grow. Just the other day, I did a vlog where I say a lot of people these days, they don't listen to the song. They don't listen music like that anymore. If a song don't hit them within the 5 or the first 15 seconds, they will tell you that the song, them nah feel it, it not sound good. But over time, songs do take off. It might not take off in the present moment, but it might take off in the future. But me don't know, Jano, most of we Jamaican people, if a song not hit you in the first 5 seconds, we not like it, you know. If it not hit you in the first 15 seconds, we not like it. But you know it goes. Sometimes song do deserve push. Song do deserve the right marketing, the right promotion for it really take off. To find more ears, viewers and subscribers. But as I said, now knocky song from Vybz Kartel. Me hear the authentic sound tonight. Me hear the drum and bass beat in the lyrics, in the rhythm, viewers and subscribers. So if it get the right push, maybe it will take off. If it even get the right push and not take off, I guess it's just not what the American market want or the American market is ready for. So let's see how it go on as on hear the new nationwide people, they must say. Them love the song sound international, it have an international feel to it. So let's see how it go on.
Me bias. I want to turn it in a goal. No, man, I can't do that, man. I can't lie to myself like that, people. And you can't tell me, say, me bias or me anti-cartel, because me buy the song. Me personally buy the song. If you don't follow me, you see it yesterday. Me go still have the picture for me safe thing right there, so. Me buy it. Me put my money where my mouth there. You understand? Me buy the pic, me buy the thing. See it? See it? Me buy panic. Me buy it. Come on and say, yo, me a review music. And me know and cartel fans then tell me, say, yo, you me say, Michael, you don't review nothing from Alkaline or Massacre. When Massacre put out song, me I go review it too. You understand? And me say last night, say, yo, you done sell about 300,000 first week. First 24 hour. You know, look like it has sell that. You know, look like it have the view the first week. So I say, people, don't be a stand. You understand? The song is just not it, brother. You know it. We can't, no, the song is not it. Song is a garbage, you know. It just barely cross mid. The song is just barely cross mid. The rhythm good. You have a good flavor to it. But we cartel step on it. In the snippet when you drop, a week ago, that of the song. If he never drop a snippet and just drop the song in its entirety today or last week, we would have a different opinion. But because he boosts you up like supplicant, give we the entire song in the first 20 seconds. And when Shenseea say like Red Sea, when the part and stop, we hunger for more.
So this blogger goes by the name of The Naked Truth, viewers and subscribers. Big up to The Naked Truth, people. So he stated that he bought the song, but Him buy the song with the expectation of getting, you know, that same vibe where him get from the preview. But little did he know that when the real song drop, the full song, it would been a disaster for him. So he stated that he left disappointed. Him now feel the song like oh him would have expect himself to feel it. He said that the hook of the song weak because all him are hearing the hook and the chorus of the song are that's all him are hear. And him also stated that Vybz Kartel's whole verse in the song chose off the whole song. As myself, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel been in the game for what, around 30 years now. So I guess in Vice is not the same again, and I feel like many people have a problem with that part of the song. The issue when many people have is that Vybz Kartel's Vice don't sound the same again on record. So the brother said Vybz Kartel threw off the whole song with the hook and also his verse. The things that when I say, yo, the man say Kartel say bend girl, bend back, bend that, and they must say what kind of lyrics them the Kartel put in a song, but many people don't understand that international song is not song where if take off what with the lyrics. It's not all about potent lyrics or the baddest lyrics in our song. So I guess Vybz Kartel realized that now. Say I know lyrics take off, make international song take off. But viewers and subscribers, listen to the rest of thing them what brother you say.
Me and you, we hungry for more. We are say, yeah man, Kartel slap with this. A Kartel do this now. One more number one for Kartel. And me like a madman, me like a Bellevue patient. Say, yes. And me do video about it and say, yo, that song I sell off, that song I can't. Who this said to me, say, yo, hold your horses, Michael. Ease yourself. Ease yourself. A trade, it said to me, or Teddy Lee, or Golden Eye. I think a Golden Eye, they said, you know, say, hold your horse. Because me did say, yo, the snippet a 10 out of 10. Me give it. The first 20 seconds a 10 out of 10. But the song drop off after 30 seconds. After Kartel come back in with the second verse, me not even know what that. What the hook at it? Bounce with the girl. Tick-tock with it. What the fuck am I talking about? I don't know how you hear that from your Kartel. And if you say that in the last minute of the song or the last, well, him did say it in the last minute because the song done 1 minute and about 30 something seconds. If you look on the video, it gone over 2 minutes. If you look on it on Spotify, it over 2 minutes. But at the rhythm alone just a go. Doom, doom, doom from the minute and 50 seconds. I just rhythm and go over this. So no man, that song are real. I know garbage, but that song I don't make it. Me very disappointed. I may have a right to be disappointed because I see them buy me thing. Me not just there, I hate Kartel.
And this really brings me back to the review when we did the other day, you know. When I say majority of the people them nowadays, if a song don't hit them within the first 5 to 15 or 30 seconds, they're not going to feel it, or it's just that. And most artists these days, they only preview the nicest part of the song. So when the worst part of the song forward out or the full song forward out, people are going to say, damn, the best part of the song was just the snippet. The rest of the song are garbage. So see it, your viewers and subscribers, it's a play right out. The brother said, him buy the song, but the song disappoint him. Him now feel the song or him would expect the song would really come out from the whole snippet. So judge our viewers and subscribers, want to see it for yourself. But as I said, music is subjective, and enough people now go like a song, enough people now go like a song. That's the greatest thing about music. You can like a song, and me cannot like a song. But as I said, let's see how the song work or it work itself out there in the international or pan the international scene. Because as I said, currently the song is at 159 on the iTunes 200 charts viewers and subscribers. Well, US iTunes 200 charts viewers. So I guess them a push the song I get market. So gradually, if the song for take off, it will take off. If it now will take off, it now will take off. But here's the thing, people. We are here to push the genre. We're here to make the music, well, dancehall music, go up on that level, upon another level. We understand that the rivalry is within our culture, and we might not want to see another artist where our artist put the genre upon the level they are, bring the music upon a certain level. But we of the old Vendetta fans might not want to see a Vybz Kartel get an international successful song, or a Genocide fans might not want to see a Kartel get an international successful song, or a Gaza fans might not want to see a Alkaline get an international successful song. As you know it's rivalry, it's the tribalism in our culture. But when you look on the brighter side of things, everybody wants to have an international successful song. A Alkaline wants it, a Kartel wants it, a Massacre wants it, they all want it. Popcorn has already gotten a majority of his songs are successful from partnering with Drake and doing collabs with a lot of international acts. So take Popcorn out of the conversation. Him already been there, done that. But as we speak about Alkaline, Massacre, Kartel, they all want an international successful song. That's the aim for majority of the artists them right now. So if we are going to turn on and not the artists them song we are trying to go international, then that just proves or shows we don't want the best for our culture. We don't want the goodness of dancehall for reach out there. But viewers and subscribers, as I said, this is the end of this vlog. Want to make me know what you think in the comment section. Leave on the thoughts as it pertains to this whole vlog. What you think? Want to know it go. A Vybz and Inside with Nando with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. A mad thing, I will catch you guys on another one. A mad thing out. Peace.